My name is Jess Dando and I run a local business called Buy Local Wales. We are passionate about supporting local businesses. Essentially what we do for SMEs is we facilitate training, we do content marketing, we make video, we make ads, we do social media marketing, and we also have a directory website and mobile app where people can join and share their business, connect with customers and business owners all over Wales. A little bit of background about me. I am a sales and marketing creative with over 20 years experience. My passion is filmmaking, design, creativity, and I'm also a singer-songwriter. I love to help small businesses and I believe that they are the backbone of our communities. Today I'm going to be talking about my favourite vital and nice to haves tools, tech tools and software that help me run my business on a day-to-day. It is essential to have tools that we can use to make life easier. So I'm going to start off with my number one favourite. I am talking about Canva. Now Canva is the Australian software that has really changed the design game for a lot of people. I started using it many years ago and I think I've probably done, I would say probably up to about 5,000 designs, and it does everything. You can create logos, you can create videos, you can create documents and invoices and quotes. Because it's free to begin with, you can get a hell of a lot for free. If I ever want something quick and easy and I need a logo or something for the website, that's my go-to. So that's my number one. Secondly, if we're talking about AI, is InVideo. Now InVideo is an AI tool that does full videos for you basically. So say you want a video to promote your new menu items. So you will input, I would like a video that promotes my new 2-for-1 burger meals, and it will then go, it will create scenes, it will create text, it will create quite realistic narration, and then I'll churn it out the other end. You can put a script through if you want to be more particular. You can say how long you want it, how much stock you want, and then when it comes out at the end, you can edit as you go, change the stock, video. Now, for a business, if I was sort of a general business, like a cafe or a restaurant, I would just use the videos as is, because the stuff that comes out, especially when edited, is great. What I do is I normally use it to help me organize where I'm going to put things in a video. It helps me to organize my scripting because it will give me ideas. It's perfect for me because it will help me to organize that creative mess up there. And then it will sort of spark my own ideas and I can sort of use my own input, but it's structured into something that the machine has come up with. So that is number two so far. Number three. Now, okay, this is video tools, okay? It's Create Studio. Absolutely amazing bit of kit, really low cost. I think last time I checked it was something like $49.69 for the year. And what I love about this is it really gets you into animation. You can either start from scratch and use the existing scenes, characters, and all the different tools that they have to create a video. You can use the Lightning Builder, which is you can use different scenes and choose what scenes out of the few scenes they have there, or you can use a full-on template, which I often use if I really want something really quick and I'm doing like 2 or 3 videos in a day, and then I will adapt. I'll usually change up the music, I'll usually change up a lot of the wording and some of the stock image, stock video, and then it's like boom, 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 and done. So it's great for that, but it's also great if you want to have like a little bit of a play around if you're feeling quite creative, but also if you want to put short form video out every day, you want to get a video, Instagram, TikTok, you can have one done in the space of 5-6 minutes. Next, I'm going to talk about two that I love them, but I'll be honest when I say that I haven't fully gotten to grips with them yet. And the first one is Runway, with Gen 3 AI and Midjourney. So Runway is this pretty amazing bit of kit that creates video, but we all know that AI is still in the very early stages. As good as it is, it's still very tricky. They're very short spurts. You have to be very specific. And I think if you're going to use that software to create anything, then you need to do a bit of prompt engineering. And that sounds quite daunting, but all it really is just learn how to prompt, you know, do a bit of training. There's free training on YouTube. You've got paid for training on Udemy and stuff like that. But I would do a bit of prompting because you need to know how to talk to it to get anything. But I mean, like, I've done some pink puppies and, you know, a giraffe having a party and all the silly things you can think of, really. It is going to be a great tool, and that's what I wanted to mention it, because I think, you know, it's really great to learn how to do those prompts now, because in time, especially when that software gets a lot better, it's great to be in a position where we can be making full-on sort of videos and getting them out. Runway, the video generation, does a lot better on image to video. So that's why Midjourney is the best thing to use it with. So you go into Midjourney, create the image, and Midjourney is only on Discord. It's not like a website or standalone. If you want to use Runway to create any video, image to video is the most extensive at the moment, although that might change. The final one I'm going to talk about today is something I've just discovered, and that is Blaze. Now, Blaze is I think it's true to its name. It's a social media content king. And there is so much to it. For example, you can take a video that's inspiring to you that you've seen or made, and you can turn it into 30, 40 pieces of content for every platform. You can turn it into a blog, you can turn it into a TikTok ad, you can turn it into a YouTube ad. It's just content galore. And you can do that and it will literally create all of these separate bits of content. You can then add this into a content calendar and then distribute this over time, decide what you want to use. And this is just another level. I mean, there's lots of other things you can do with Blaze. Obviously, it is a social media management tool, so you can do lots of posting. You can come up with scripts for videos. But that is probably the most impressive thing that they've got going at the moment. But those are the things I love. Those are the things I use. Those are the things that make my life easier every single day. And I know they're going to be the things that make your life better. If I was a famous YouTuber, I would say right now that you get a discount on those through my code. But I would just say, like, most of those things have got free trials, so try out the free trials. And most of the things I've mentioned today are really reasonable in terms of cost, and they have, free options and free trials. But if there's one thing that you cannot miss out on getting, I would say 2 out of those I wouldn't miss out on is Blaze and Canva. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed my first video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe because it just helps me grow the channel. I'm going to try and make a video every week, and it's going to be something useful for businesses, and hopefully that's going to be once a week, and that's going to be every Friday. And I hope you all have a beautiful weekend, and thank you for watching.